Hello, human being. It's Entertainment Lord here today to teach you about the 6 types of energy in style. So, there are 6 types as I've established. And the first type is mechanical energy. It's the energy of movement. So say you kind of want to do this with your hands, do a little thing like that. That's mechanical energy you're using. And mechanical energy is good because it's the movement of your objects. In addition, if I were to do this to this water bottle, yeah, that's mechanical energy. Mechanical energy, look it up. The second type I'm going to teach you about is radiant energy, which is electromagnetic light waves. It provides you heat, and it's in your things like your electricity, or your lamps, and your candles. So, if you want to put a heater in your room also to survive that harsh Alaskan winter you have, then you'll want that. But oh no, what have you done? You've decided to move to Alaska. Whoa, no! Radiant energy is also the energy that starts from the sun, so it starts moving through the food chain. It starts it up by feeding sun to the potatoes and making them say, I saw the sun. I opened up my eyes and saw the sun. Stealth pun. Then we have chemical energy, which is the stuff in your phone's battery life and with that area. Now, with chemical energy, it's also found in the food that you eat, so that's where you get the energy that you eat from. So yeah, the energy in your phone charging your battery and making you lose all your battery when you're watching my video, which one of you probably has had happen, is the same stuff as the energy you eat when you break down the chemicals in your food. Then we have electromagnetic energy, which is much more the connections in your phone. So whenever you send a text, that's electromagnetic energy going out. So yes, the entire teen social life is dedicated to electromagnetic energy. From here, we go on to nuclear energy, which is a bit of a beast. Now, there are 2 different types of nuclear energy, fusion and fission. And to break momentum, I'm going to start with fission. Fission is much more when atoms separate and stuff like that. And that's all we use in nuclear power plants or other things. So you know those time we bombed Japan? That used fission. Fusion is way too powerful for that. Fission is the tearing apart, and fusion is the putting together. And then we have thermal heat. Thermal is that nice warm heat that happens when you're in your bed and it keeps you trapped and all that kind of stuff on a cold Alaskan day. As we established, though, you didn't want to move to Alaska because it's Alaska. Who wants to move to Alaska? Aside from the people who live there. No, but thermal energy also works to keep you warm in your shirts or etc. That body heat that's coming off you, that's not coming from light. It's coming from you. And then we have the transfer of energy to talk about. Energy is transported between many things in your little world. It can manage to be moving from your chemical energy that you eat with your food, going into your body, and becoming thermal energy to bounce off of this. And it could also go from being chemical energy of the battery of your phone, and it could become electromagnetic energy as you connect. But it's creating the whole world process for energy with how certain things function. And it's interesting in that regard. So what do you think of this? It's for a school assignment from my science teacher, and I decided to do it in a nice video form, hopefully giving some energy to it. I'm awful. Bye!